Hello folks, we're going to be taking a look at the Boston Cooking School Cookbook, and this 7th edition is from 1941, and we're going to be cooking up some beautiful Boston baked beans. So grab your beans, we're going to soak them overnight in cold water, bring them up to a boil. I like to throw a couple bay leaves, and then we get all of our ingredients together from the recipe, which you can find below. Alright, so low and slow on the bacon, we want to render out some of that fat. Check on my pizza, my nephew's hungry. Beautiful. Alright, so now let's get that bacon working. Sweat it out. We want that nice fat. Alright, pre-cooked beans, throw them in there. Make sure you reserve the juice because we're going to need that later. Alright, stir that around. Get the fat all over those beans. Yes. Alright, salt. Here we go. Alright, gotta add that flavor. Alright, we need some sugar. Gotta add that sweetness. Ooh, yeah, looks like it's coming together already. Alright, a few squirts of mustard on there. Following the recipe to the T. I don't know if that was a tablespoon or whatever, but anyways. Okay, now we need to squeeze out this molasses from the molasses fruit. Watch this, just like squeezing out the juice of a lemon. Get all that sweet, sassy molasses in there. It's gonna add all that flavor. Okay, stir it around. Let's work it in there. Double check the recipe. Make sure I'm following it to the T. Okay, add that beautiful reserved bean juice. That's the good stuff right there. That's where the flavor's at. Okay, stir it around, let's get it all worked together. Alright, so we got our oven set to 300. The recipe says 250. I'm going to go with 300 because I'm starving and I don't want to be waiting like 8 hours. Okay, so when it was done, just took the top off and let them brown up a bit, add a bit more flavor in there, so it's like 10 more minutes. Alright, time to scoop that up. See all that nice caramelized beans on top? Oh yeah, that's so good. Oh, look at that beautiful little loaf of the Boston brown bread over there. You make that in a can. Oh, it's so good. Okay, stir it up. Look at that. You can add more water if you like, but I like them like this. Fork or spoon? Fork or spoon? I don't know. Okay, gonna go with the fork. Delicious. Here we go. Alright. Looks like it's noms. Yeah, saying nom nom. I'm thinking it needs more salt. Yeah, that's the look of I need a little bit more salt in there. Also looking at making my bed in the spare bedroom tonight. Okay. Alright, let's turn the heat up. I want to thank you all for watching. Boston Baked